What is goody, everybody? My name is Adam Bergman. If this is the first time you're on my show, how you doing? And if you are back on my show and you were here before, welcome back to the show. In today's episode, I want to take a moment to talk about a very big event for Quant Network, but most people are not talking about it and it's flying under the radar. Quant Network is not a blockchain. Quant Network is an operating system, much like Windows is an operating system for PCs, personal computers. Well, Quant is the operating system for blockchains, private blockchains, public blockchains, and hybrid blockchains. And one of the things that they tote that's so amazing about Quant Network is interoperability between different chains. Again, private, public, and hybrid. As long as you're using the Quant network, Quant overledger, which is the operating system that I'm talking about, you have interoperability between any other projects that are using the Quant network, Quant overledger. And quite simply, Quant overledger connects to a bunch of different blockchains. You have your core API, you have your premium API, you have Quant developers, and you have third-party developers. And essentially, they make it super simple for you to use cryptocurrency technology. It's actually a phenomenal way for interoperability to happen between different blockchains, and they make things very simple, a plug-and-play scenario. Right now, they have something called a QRC20 token. And a QRC20 token is just like an ERC20 token that's built on Ethereum blockchain. QRC20 tokens are built and managed for you by Quant Network. I just wanted to explain to you one more time, Quant Network is not a blockchain. Quant Network is not open source. Quant Network is a private network, and I'm not saying that this is a bad or good thing, I'm just letting you guys know. The Quant token has value because everything you do on the Quant network needs the Quant token. Even if you pay for licenses in fiat, it gets converted into Quant. I'll get into that in just a moment. So right now there's this QRC20 token that allows you to do interoperability for any project that uses Quant overledger. And there are a lot of projects that use Quant Network. So right now there's a project called Galileo. Galileo just launched the first QRC20 token called LeoX. And it is being handled by the exchange called LCX. Now, LCX is a partner of Quant Network. LCX is not a major exchange. However, this is a really, really cool, dope piece of news for Quant Network. You see, they have a proof of concept that then becomes a proof of action, and then it becomes readily available for the entire crypto community. And they're showing that, yes, you could launch a QRC20 token, much like you launch an ERC20 token, but now you have interoperability between any of the public, private, or hybrid blockchains that uses our technology. This is really cool. But what exactly is Galileo? Galileo gives you something called PNFTs, which is anything physical that's backed by an NFT, or an NFT that's backed by something physical, whichever way you want to look at it. So now you have a platform that has NFTs backed by physical goods, making its own token of their platform on the Quant network using the QRC20 technology, and it is being held in pre-sale and the sale by LCX Exchange. This is really cool, and I think that this is the beginning to something a lot bigger in the future, because as people are going to start seeing that there's interoperability, this is obviously lucrative if you are a business. Some people are very pro rah, sis, boom, bah, cryptocurrency, decentralization, so on and so forth, and others use cryptocurrency technology and blockchain technology, DLT technology, in order to propel and make their business more lucrative. They're doing this to make money. And one of the ways that you make money is to have interoperability between different businesses on different blockchains. And now, as long as you're using the Quant overledger, the Quant network, well, you have your instant interoperability. Let me read you the article and let's go over it. Guys, before I go any further, can I please ask you to do two things? I have a Discord. I have a link to the Discord down below. I also want to take today's sponsors. Today's sponsors is Crypto for Change Apparel. It's an Etsy store that deals in cryptocurrency apparel. Soon they will have Quant Network apparel on the store as well. I have a link to it down below, and there is a 15% coupon if you want to interact with Crypto for Change Apparel. First Quant Network QRC20 token sale issued on LCX exchange. Main takeaways. Quant Network's much anticipated QRC20 token standard launches. Quant partner LCX manages the token sales of the world's first QRC20. Galileo Protocol's Leo X private sale debuts as the first QRC20 token. And I quote, this is from the CEO of LCX. Galileo Protocol is a new Web3 marketplace protocol designed for safely and efficiently trading PNFTs. We're excited about this partnership to issue the Leo X token. Leo X is a QRC20 utility token issued on a multi-chain protocol. I have thoroughly gone through its benefits and believe that Quant Network level security is good for safeguarding your wallet, token, non-fungible tokens, and transactions. This is the Galileo Protocol roadmap. In 2022, company, legal status, release of Galileo MVP, so on and so forth. I don't care about that because it's done. Let's talk about 2023. Launch of Galileo's marketplace, listing of Leo X token on CEX's indexes, smart contract engine, launch of Leo X's rewards and staking, Galileo's mobile launch for Apple iOS and Android, Galileo's governance functionality, purchase of physical assets for the community. I like how they mentioned their smart contract engine. Their smart contracts are going to be built out plug and play, if I had to presume, on the Quant Network. The whole point of Quant Network is to make your life very simple as a business owner so that you can focus on your business using Web3 technology. All of us in cryptocurrency says Web3, blah, blah, blah. Yes. Quant Network is actually figuring out the equation to allow you to use cryptocurrency in an easy and efficient manner through interoperability and to develop your products on Web3. A lot of people say Web3. Web3 is building something in a decentralized manner, knowing a little bit of coding. Right now, things are starting to become more plug and play. Quant Network is contributing to that plug and play society when it comes to development of Web3 technology. This is a very good thing. The more developers that come from Web 2 to Web 3, or the more businesses that choose to build on Web 3 instead of Web 2, well, the better it is for the crypto space. The less rug pulls there's gonna be, the more efficient projects there's gonna be, the more reputable people there's gonna be, and all in all, this is fantastic for the crypto market. And these are a couple of things about the Quant Network. Described as a suite of smart contract templates, which I was talking about before, tokenizes, empowers users to create and deploy multi-chain QRC20 and QRC721 standard tokens and smart contracts. The QRC20 and 721 standardizations is comparable to Ethereum's native ERC20, but comes with two primary advantages: token security and interoperability. The token security is such that it is highly susceptible to attacks by malevolent actors. The smart contract is the underlying rule that creates and manages a token. A single point of failure in the smart contract can lead to a catastrophic loss for your token issuers and its users. Therefore, the smart contract code has to be rigorously battle tested via proper auditing and verification. All QRC20 smart contracts have been designed to industry standard specifications and are third-party audited to verify their integrity and security. So what Quant is saying, hey, build on our network, we're gonna do all of the security for you. We're gonna have third-party auditors, we're gonna have our own auditors, and in general, if they get this right, this is a fantastic thing for cryptocurrency. Again, let's reduce all the rug pulls. And then they give you interoperability. The second challenge is interoperability. Unlike the Ethereum-based counterpart ERC20, the QRC20 standard is blockchain agnostic, which means we don't give a flying freaking fizzle which blockchain you use, as long as the blockchain is using our operating system. Blockchain agnostic means that these tokens can deploy on multi-chain blockchains while behaving identically without recoding. Quant Network strategic partner with LCX. have maintained a strategic collaboration since 2019. The working relationship aims to integrate their existing technologies to advance the implementation of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, retail and wholesale facing stablecoins, and digital asset security. And I quote, "Due to their expertise and technology leadership, Quant plays a key role in global DLT interoperability. Together, we are pursuing the goal of translating this expertise into further growth using LCX regulatory setup bases." Guys, at the end of the day, you might agree with this, you might not agree on this. Quant Network is an operating system. They don't care about centralized, decentralized, government, private, public, hybrid. They don't give a flying fizzle. Quant Network is for everybody. At the end of the day, everything that they're doing on Quant Network needs the Quant token. This brings demand for the Quant token. And as there is more demand for a token or anything, fiat, real estate, cars, doesn't matter. The more demand there is, the more the asset is worth. Plain and simple, this is simple economics 101. Guys, thank you so much. If you like these type of videos, please click on this video down below. I think you guys are gonna definitely find it really interesting.